Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our topic today is about past perfect tense. Please open your own student book with me on page 56. The past perfect tense, we use it in two cases. One, to use it to express an action happened in the past before another action in the past. Two, to express an action happened before a specific time in the past. So one, an action happened before another action in the past. For example, when we arrived at the airport, our flight had already left. أول استخدام للماضي التام إنه بيعبر عن حدث وقع قبل حدث آخر في الماضي. When we arrived at the airport, our flight had already left. So which one happened first? Yes, excellent. This one. Our flight had already left. So we put the first action in the past perfect simple. يعني احنا بنضع يا شباب الحدث اللي وقع الأول في الماضي التام اللي هو had plus verb 3. And the second action is in verb 2, past simple, which is arrived. And note, it is not a must to arrange the two actions according to what happened first. يعني مش لازم أحط ترتيب الأحداث اللي وقع الأول وبعدين اللي وقع بعد كده. لكن مهم جدا إن أنا أعرف أي حدث وقع الأول في الجملتين ونحطه في زمن الماضي التام. لكن ترتيبه مش شرط يكون أول حدث في الجملة. Questions. How to ask questions. We use had in the first kind of questions, yes, no questions, أو السؤال بمعنى هل. We use had plus subject plus verb 3. For example, had you been there before? And we answer or response to this question by yes or no. That's why we call it yes, no question, because we respond to that question with yes and no. Note, the contraction apostrophe D for had, I'd, means I had. You'd means you had. So apostrophe D is abbreviation of had. Apostrophe D يا شباب اختصار ل had. So I'd means I had, you'd, you had, and so on. Can be used with the past perfect. What is the past perfect? As I've told you before, an action happened before another action in the past. And action A, which happened first, is in, yes, excellent, the past perfect tense. And action B is in, yes, absolutely right, is in past simple, verb 2. We use it to talk also about things that happened before an event in the past, an event or a specific time in the past. Example, when I woke up, my mother had already prepared breakfast for me. When I woke up, so which one happened first? Exactly. My mother had already prepared breakfast for me. So this is the first action which happened first. And that's why we put this action in past perfect simple. And the second action, action B, is in verb 2, woke up, verb 2, past simple. What are the two verbs in this sentence? Can you decide the verb here? Yes, excellent. Here, woke up and action A is prepared. Had prepared. As I explained before, my mother had already prepared breakfast for me. This action happened first, so the tense is past perfect, had plus verb 3. Past participle means verb 3. And action B, or the second action, is past simple, verb 2. So had plus verb 3, the second sentence or the second verb is verb 2. The time words or time expressions or the keywords: when, before, after, because, by the time. We use these words with the past perfect tense. So we use it, each word, to make a link between two actions happened in the past. One happened before the other. يعني احنا بنستخدم واحدة من اللينكرز أو الكلمات دي اسمها روابط عشان نربط بين حدثين وقعوا في الماضي، أحدهم وقع قبل الآخر أو قبل وقت محدد أو قبل حدث معين. Do you still remember the structure? The form was, in the affirmative means, in the sentence, ordinary sentence, subject, verb, object. Subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. He had washed the car. He is a subject. Verb had plus verb 3, had washed, and object is the car. Do you still remember the structure of the negative form? Negative, we agreed before that, just we put the word not. Okay, so can you guess its position in the negative statement? Yes, exactly. Subject plus had plus not plus verb 3. So watch it. Not is in between had and verb 3, after had. For example, he had not washed the car. He had not washed the car. Question. We have two kinds of questions, as you know, yes, no question and WH question. Yes, no question, we started with had plus subject plus verb 3 plus object, and finally question mark. For example, had he washed the car? Had he washed the car? To respond to that question, so we use yes or no. This is a link. You can use it to revise the grammatical structure, which is the past perfect. And also you have many exercises into your own student book and workbook. I hope you catch it and you understood everything which are related to past perfect. Thanks for watching and see you.